For the first DIY, I'm going to grab one of these floral foam and I'm going to place some flour all the way around it. Make sure to use some hot glue and then attach it. Then go ahead and place your glass on top and place your candle. Then grab your candle wick and place it inside. You could do one or two. I did four, but I think it was a little bit too much. So just do one or two. I think is fine. Then I went ahead and grabbed the same floral foam and I'm going to place Christmas ball all the way around it like that, just to do different style for you guys. Then this is how cute the first DIY it turns out. You can leave it like that, or you can do it plain like that. It's up to you, however you will like it. And then this one is with a Christmas ball, which it came out super cute as well. And the good things, these are so easy and simple for you guys to make and inexpensive, which is the best thing. Now for the next DIY, I'm going to grab one of these glass bowl, and put a wine glass on top, spray painted in silver. I'm gonna place my candle on top, put you candle wick, and then put a flower. You don't have to, it's optional. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. For this candle, I will be place it down below. I will place the link down below so you guys know where to get it. Now you can leave it as this, like super cute and simple, just easy to do, or you can stack it up a little bit more and make it like a taller version. You don't have to put the flower if you don't like it. Now for the next DIY, I'm gonna grab one of this candle holder. I'm gonna put some hot glue all the way around it, and then put the candle holder upside down on another one and place it on top. Then after that, I'm gonna go ahead and spray paint it in silver. You could do any color that you would like. Then go ahead and put some hot glue all the way around it, put a floral foam on top, and then here I'm just gonna put little branches all the way around the floral foam. Make sure to attach it with hot glue as well, for better attachment. Here you could just make it however you can even put white, different colors. It's up to you. Just use your imagination, different things. Then go ahead and place your glass on top. And I got this Christmas ornament from Dollar Tree. I'm going to place some hot glue and attach it in the middle just like that. And then I'm gonna put a few little things all the way around it, like Christmas ball. You could do different color as well as in here too. Then go ahead and place your candle inside, and this is how cute it turns out. And it's so simple, you guys, that you guys can do at home. I hope you guys like this DIY as well. Now for the next DIY, I'm going to go ahead and grab one of these wine glasses as well, place it upside down. Then I got this candy jar. I'm going to take the sticker and attach it to the top of the glass like that. Then go ahead and use your spray paint, put some flower. You don't have to put, it's optional, and then put a flower on top as well. And this is how cute it turns out with a different flower. This is like more for Christmas decorations. This could be for party decorations, or this could be for home decor. It's up to you how you want to use it. I'm just giving you a different idea that you guys can do with this DIY. So this is the one for Christmas, but you could also do it like the first one I did it, like it's a fall decor. And this is how it would turn out for now for your table or Thanksgiving table centerpiece. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly. I hope you guys like this DIY. Please comment down below, let me know what you guys think, and let's not forget to share, subscribe, and comment. Thanks again for watching.